What is AI and machine learning? AI and machine learning are technologies that are revolutionizing the way we live and work. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, and decision-making. Machine learning is a type of AI that involves training machines to recognize patterns in data and make predictions based on those patterns. AI and machine learning are being used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Some examples include using AI to diagnose diseases, predict consumer behavior, and optimize supply chain logistics. One of the key advantages of AI and machine learning is their ability to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. They can also be used to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. One of the biggest challenges of AI and machine learning is ensuring that they are unbiased and free from discrimination. There is also a concern about the impact of AI on employment. As machines become more capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans, the future of AI and machine learning is exciting, with potential applications in fields like transportation, energy, and entertainment. However, there are also concerns about the ethical and social implications of AI, and the need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and transparent manner. They offer many advantages, but also come with challenges that must be addressed. The future of AI and machine learning is full of potential, but also requires careful consideration of the ethical and social implications of these technologies.